Okay, this little video is going to show you how to add a column to your tiger sample data. And this is the column that you'll be using for the course project part 2 that has to do with it, whether the tiger is of reproductive age or not. And for this, we're considering the reproductive age to be 2 years old or older. So to add this column to the data, what you want to do is go to Data, and then go down to Compute and click on Expression. This box will come up, and the first thing you need to do is put in the column label. We're going to call this variable Repro, so you can type that in right here. And then we want to build the expression, so we're going to click on Build. Now what I need to do is put in a function, and the one I'm looking for is called if-else. So I'm just scrolling down here until I find the if-else. I'm clicking on that to highlight it, and then I'm going to click on Add Function. That made that function come up here in the expression box. And now what I want to do, this has to do with the age of the tiger. So I'm going to click on the column Age right here, and I'm going to click on Add Column. So that put the age right here. And what we want to do is say that if the age is less than 2, then what we want to go into this column is a no. So if the tiger is less than 2 years old, then no, they're not of reproductive age. So if the age is less than 2, then I'm going to type in the word no in quotes. And you can make it a capital N or not, it doesn't really matter. And then what happens here is that if this isn't true, it's going to default to the next thing I put here. So here I want to put in the word yes in quotes. So now I have this whole expression. So you should put in something that looks pretty much exactly like this. Make sure and include the quotations around the words no and yes. Once you have that, then you can click on OK at the bottom. So now it should take you back to this box. So you have your expression here and the column label that you already put in here. At this point, if you need to change anything, if you need to change the expression, you can actually do some typing right in this box. If you forgot to put in the column label before, you can do that right here. If everything is correct here, then click on Compute at the bottom, and it will come up and tell you that it added the column to the table, and here's your new column over here. So for this one, in these first bunch of tigers, there were lots and lots of them that were 2 years old or older. So the first one we got to that wasn't was this one down here. Okay, so that's all you have to do to add that column to your table.